So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. And now for the second step, you're going to head over to search again and type in device manager. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to expand print queues. Now you're going to find your printer. You're going to right click on it and then click on update driver and then click on search automatic for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for your device installed. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search again and type in services. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on any service one time and then click on P on your keyboard. Now you want to find print spooler. Here it is. You're going to double click on it. Make sure that you have the startup type on automatic and then click on start, which will now make the service status running, and then click on OK. Now you want to click on restart. You want to restart the print spooler service. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search again and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on other troubleshooters. Now you want to find printer. Click on run. And then once this comes up, we're going to scroll down. We're going to run the automated printer diagnostics. So you're going to click on yes. Wait for this to load. You now want to follow all the steps that come up here, and then this should now fix your problem.